Yeah. Hey, this is Charles. I'm gonna show you how to replace the absorbers for the hood. This is the new ones that I bought it for $18 on eBay. This is the BMW 750. So I'll show you how to replace very easy. You need a tool like this. There's a little clip in here. You go between the clip. Remove one side. And there's another one on the bottom. So this is how it looks like, the clip. If you lift it up, that will come off and let you remove. So this is the new one. It does come with the clip on it. You gotta do the same thing, kind of open up so it does have a little bit of a gap in here on both of them, and then just push back in place. So this one goes in there. You lock it in place. Then you gotta do the other side. You might just need to lift it up the hood for the right position. Segura aí, just 1 second. I removed the whole clip to make it easier. It wasn't getting into it. Now that's it, it's in. You just gotta put the clip back in place. This one gave me much more hard time than usual. So what you could do is slide the clip off and then put it back in place. And then you just slide it down. So this one is done. We'll do the other side. Talvez você tenha que ficar daqui por causa do sol, maybe. See if o sol atrapalha ou não. So this is another one. I got the two for only $18. I brought the car to a repair shop, and when it came back, came with this part broke. So I just wonder why he didn't told me that I need a new parts for it. He just work on a car, put a broomstick on it and hold it the hood, instead doing the right thing. Usually people go buy this part at BMW, and it's really expensive. But if you go on eBay, you can find it for just about $18. So this is the new one. As you can see, just with one in place, it's holding. So the other one, it does help. But if you have only one working, it's fine also. But if you buy the two for the price of $18, I think that's still the cheapest thing to do it, you know. You just figure what tools would work better for you, you know. I have a combination of them, so it's fine. As you can see, sometimes you're better off removing the whole thing, because it will get on your way. Shouldn't be this hard. I don't know why. It's because I'm making a video is freaking giving me a hard time. The clip got an inside this slot here, and I won't close the right way, so I gotta remove the whole clip off, put it from the top, and then once